now it's time to hear it from the star herself. What do you think about this fabulous app, which is being launched today?
Firstly, hi guys, thank you so much for coming, all of you. It's a great honor to be sitting here and launching my app and interacting with all of you on behalf of EscapeX as well as me. And well, I am really excited about this app. I believe that it's very important as actors to want to communicate, to have some sort of direct communication with our audience. And of course, social media makes that possible. But there are some people like me, for example. I am not very good when it comes to social media. I cannot quite keep updating about my life. And I get really hassled with so many mediums of social media. Like there is Instagram, there's Twitter, now there's Snapchat. There are like so many things all the time, and it just gets so difficult to sit and put posts on each and everything. And with this particular app, it's truly sorting me out. It's making my life easier because I can just, with the click of a button, everything gets updated. People know that it's authentic, verified information directly from me, and it's interactive, so I can communicate to and fro with people. And yeah, I mean, it's the best way, in my opinion, where all my social media is integrated, and I can just directly put up a post, and I'm 100% sure that people who genuinely want to know about me and my life and my whereabouts can find out. And of course, now why did I tie up with EscapeX? EscapeX is a US-based company. Now they, of course, do a lot of gaming as well as apps for a lot of celebrities all over the world. And I haven't found any other company more authentic, more giving more personalized attention, and being so forthcoming with their approach, with their ideas, and as well as being so excited. I mean, of course, I would be excited because it's my app, but trust me, the team of EscapeX is equally, if not more, excited about this than I am, which is very helpful because as all of you know, we are perpetually traveling, we're always out and about, and it gets really difficult to actually follow up with these kind of things and do these kind of things. So the team of EscapeX is really strong. I have great support in them, and they monitor things for me, they ensure security of the app, which is extremely important in today's day and age. And yeah, we just know that it is a very verified, authentic ground to be interacting with people. That's about it.
So what you really see is superstar technology actually making the superstar. So that's what the app is about. And just to tell you this, there is live function in the app where you can do live, which is the latest technology. And we're moving on to something which is called the user-generated content in some time, where Kajal will be able to build a massive community within her app with her or her followers. So yes, like I said, please log in, download the app, and stay connected with that.
So if there's Google for everyone, there are these apps where everything it's like my own private little Google, where everything comes together. I think that's really cool, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's it. Do we have any questions?
I think on that note, I would like to thank all of you all for joining us here today. It's like I mentioned before, it's a very, very special day because there's something very unique, very innovative which has been launched, and we're very, very happy that we have somebody as beautiful, a sparkling star like Kajal who's associated with us. So on that note, I'm going to thank you all once again for joining us here today. We're going to take the one-on-one on the stage.
अंकित अरे चालू कुठे झाला मग पिक्चर्स अरे काय पांडेजी आप रो रहे हो अरे सामने ही अंकित होने के बाद तीनों को चलेगा आप क्वेश्चन नहीं वहीं पे अरे बाइट होगा ग्रुप फोटो है ना वो एक वीडियो वालों को वहीं पे और बाइट भी उधर से और बाइट भी वहीं पे हम लोग बूम डाल लेंगे बूम डालोगे बूम क्या इतना लंबा नहीं कहाँ जा रहा घूम नहीं कोई को होगा तो इधर पीछे माइक से पूछिए बाइट ही करना है अच्छा वो मेरा कैमरा ऑफ हो गया था ब्लास्ट हो जाता साउंड क्यों नहीं आ रहा है अभी तक तो आ रहा था बंद किया
हाँ जी कहिए।
लोगों से कांटेक्ट किए ना, ट्विटर है, सोशल मीडिया से लोगों से ज़्यादा होता है?
क्योंकि मैं टेक्नोलॉजिकली थोड़ी चैलेंज्ड हूँ और मुझे सोशल मीडिया पे पोस्ट फ्रीक्वेंटली करने का टाइम नहीं मिलता। तो अगर ये ऐप मेरे एक क्लिक ऑफ अ बटन पे है तो ऑफ कोर्स मेरे लिए कन्वीनियंस हुआ ना।
क्या आप ट्रोल से डरते हैं?
बिल्कुल नहीं, लेकिन थैंकफुली मेरे बारे में ज़्यादा ट्रोल नहीं होते अभी। आई होप ये कॉन्वर्सेशन के बाद स्टार्ट ना हो, नहीं तो मुझे पता है किसको पकड़ना है।
ओके, व्हाट अबाउट अदर प्लान इन फ्यूचर? कुछ आने वाले आप अगर आप बताना चाहें?
अभी मैं अपने साउथ के फिल्म्स कंप्लीट कर रही हूँ और हिंदी फिल्म मैं सितंबर में स्टार्ट करूँगी। आई एम currently working in 2 Tamil films. One is with Ajit and one is with Vijay, and in one Telugu film with Rana.
Kajal, congratulations on this app launch. But the point is that whenever you make any celebrity making a statement on the social media, sometimes it turns controversial. So how to be in limitations for a celebrity to have the presence in the social media so that that controversy doesn't get created on the platform as such.
First of all, thank you. I did not understand what you're asking me. How do celebrities do what?
Make some kind of statement, some kind of irresponsible statement.
They make irresponsible statements.
Yeah.
So then that is their stupidity. I mean, what can anyone else do about it? But I feel personally that things which are interactive, like for example for me, this app is going to be very interactive. You can actually clarify misunderstandings. Sometimes what happens is certain things are misconstrued or misunderstood. And with the help of social media or an app or any sort of direct communication that you have with the audience, thankfully in today's day and age, things can instantly be clarified. Or you can put your point across, or you can put your opinion across very clearly. And it obviously has its pros and cons, but I feel the pros outweigh the cons.
Do you think overexposure is good for the celebrity status as such? Because it's kind of overexposure for the celebrity status as such.
Overexposure is never good for anything. Obviously not. But this is not really overexposure. It's not like 24/7 I'll be updating. So if in case you think you're going to be able to stalk me, that's not going to happen. I am not going to 24/7 keep putting up, okay, I'm eating lunch. Okay, now I'm going here. Okay, now. Of course not, guys. That's not going to happen. But yeah, y'all will know where I am, which country I'm in, what I'm doing currently in life, or what am I shooting for, or who I'm shooting with, things like that. Basic, obviously, information. So there is, of course, a sense of privacy. It's not like this is intrusive of someone's privacy. It's just that it is a convenience-based thing where you can directly communicate as well as have all your social media integrated and make it interactive for your fans, which is just interesting and fun for them. मुझे डिटेल्स नहीं पता है इसके बारे में, लेकिन जी मैंने सुना था और ऑफ कोर्स बिल्कुल बहुत बुरा लगा. आई डोंट थिंक कि ऐसे करना चाहिए एंड एवरीवन's entitled to their own opinion and to their own expression to their own freedom of speech, and people should just leave it to that. This is what is over intrusive that you were asking me, not my harmless posts.
Also, just to clarify, this app is also actually meant for super fans. It's Kajal's way of giving love back to the super fans who've loved her for all this while. And so there will be contests, there will be a lot of stuff which fans don't get on social media. Social media now is becoming a one-way street. Here we're bringing it back to a two-way communication.
To what it's supposed to be initially.
Yeah, it's actually supposed to mean like that, right? So the larger it grows, probably somewhere social media, whether it's Twitter or Instagram, it's more a one-way street now. Here you will find it far more interactive, and like I said, Kajal will have the ability to give love back to the fans who make her what she's doing.
Thank you so much. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Lovely chatting with you all.